Welcome back to Pan Tales. Today, I'm sharing one of the most unique and flavorful dishes from my kitchen, dry fish curry. This dish is bold, aromatic, and holds a special place in Bhutanese meals. If you've never tried it before, stay with me. You're in for a real treat. In Bhutan, dry fish is more than just food. It's a cherished dish enjoyed in many homes. For many of us, this curry was a childhood favorite, always served steaming hot with rice, bringing warmth and comfort to the family table. That's the true charm of this dish. Dry fish can be quite salty and tough, so the first step is to soak it in warm water for about 20 to 30 minutes. This softens the fish and balances out the saltiness. While the fish is soaking, let's prepare the vegetables. We'll need fresh onions, juicy tomatoes, green chilies for heat, a little spring onion for freshness, salt to taste, and of course, some oil for cooking. Take your time here. Once the fish has softened, it's time to peel off the skin. Most of the salty flavor lies in the skin, so removing it makes the dish perfectly balanced. Here's how the fish looks before peeling and after. Notice the difference. Now let's move on to cooking. Heat some oil in a pan, and once it's hot, add the peeled dry fish. Fry it for about 3 to 4 minutes. If you prefer a crispier bite, fry it a little longer until it turns golden and crunchy. The aroma at this stage is incredible. That rich, smoky fragrance of dry fish fills the kitchen. Once done, remove the fish and set it aside. In the same pan, with all those beautiful flavors left behind, toss in the onions and sauté them until they turn golden brown and slightly caramelized. This step adds a gentle sweetness that balances the saltiness of the fish. Next, add the green chilies for heat. Followed by the chopped tomatoes. Cook until the tomatoes soften into a rich, flavorful base. Add just half a spoon of salt here. Remember, the fish already brings its own saltiness. Now comes the star of the dish. Add the fried dry fish back into the pan. Gently stir everything together on low heat, letting the fish soak up the flavors of the onions, chilies, and tomatoes. Sprinkle in some spring onions for freshness, and a pinch of red chili powder for a vibrant color. Let everything cook together for a few minutes on medium heat until the fish and sauce blend beautifully. The sizzling sound, the aroma, the colors, everything comes alive at this stage. And just like that, our dry fish curry is ready to serve. Look at this beautiful dish, rich, spicy, and full of flavor. Serve it hot with plain rice, and you'll have a meal that warms both the heart and the stomach. If you enjoyed cooking along with me today, don't forget to like this video. Share it with your friends and subscribe for more. Here on Pan Tales, I share authentic and simple dishes from Bhutanese cuisine, recipes that are wholesome, traditional, and easy to make at home. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next recipe.